girls, it's Teacher Lina. How is everyone? Today we're going to be doing a practice video exercise. So I wanted to make you practice videos every week so you can learn new steps or you can also practice old steps, okay? So today we're going to be doing a pas de bourree. So do you remember your pas de bourrees? The pas de bourree starts with the back leg up to second and closes back to fifth, okay? So we're going to do a pas de bourree exercise first, which you can follow through, and then we'll do it quicker together, okay? So let's start. Let's get started. Make sure you all have enough space to move. So your pas de bourree starts with the right leg in front, okay? Or yes, the right leg in front. So teacher's going to start mirroring so you can copy from the right side. We start with the coupe back. So this is a coupe, which is going up. You will open to second and close in front. Okay, let's repeat. And from the back, you coupe, make sure you point your toes. You go up, open to second, and close front. Let's do it again. Coupe from the back, go up, and second, and close front. Last one, and coupe up, and second, and close front. Now let's do it faster, girls. Okay, keep your arms in brava. Let's go and go up, pas de bourree, to the back, and up, pas de bourree, and 3, pas de bourree. Last one, 4, pas de bourree. How are you all? I hope you're getting the exercise, yes? Just make sure every time you pas de bourree, you close, you coupe, you go up, open the front leg, and you close the second leg in front. Yeah, don't forget this. Let's repeat again. Up, open in second, and close front, and finish. If you're confident enough, you can try faster pas de bourree, so you can do this on your own. Let's do it with the music. I hope you got the exercise, okay? So we'll do it slow first, and then we will go quicker. Now this is a basic pas de bourree. There are different types of pas de bourree, so not just pas de bourrees that open to the sides. Some turn around, and some pas de bourrees go over and under. But before we do that, let's do the basic pas de bourrees together. Okay, girls? Breathe. Keep your arms here. And slowly, pas de bourree. Slowly first, and pas de bourree. Third time, and 3. Open, close. Last one. Pas de bourree. Faster, and pas de bourree. And pas de bourree. And 3, pas de bourree. And 4, pas de bourree. And 5. Let's do it again. 6. And 7. Last one. 8. And okay, finish well. So these were the basics of your pas de bourree exercise. So teacher's going to be giving one video per different kind of exercise so you don't get confused and you can go back through different exercises. Okay, girls? I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you watch and rewatch the links so that you can always practice these exercises. Teacher's going to be making more videos for you. Hope you enjoyed that.